This shipment has been made possible through the strong and close collaboration between the European Union and UNICEF, and it's the first out of 4, and it forms an important part of the European Union's support to Tajikistan, as it's about the emergency relief assistance, and it's intended to provide around 15,000 medical workers in a large number of hospitals around the country to protect themselves while working with corona patients. So it's very timely and it's a very important support.